He's 10.5 months old.
And he can walk.
Woo!
Yay!
Okay, bring it to mommy.
Bring it to Mama.
Atticus, come here. Atticus.
Sissy's all gone.
Atticus, come here. Bring it to mommy. Good job, Atticus. Mwah. Okay, go get it. Jill, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Addie, go get it. Where's your remote?
That's steady.
Well, where are you going? Where are you going?
Oh!
Not perfect, Kirsten.
Here, walk this way.
Addie.
Let him have it if he comes over there. Oh, good job.